Narrator: are you looking for a new gaming partner? Asus might be the answer. The brand new ROG Ally is the Steam Deck rival you didn't know you needed, and we've just seen a further leak on the pricing. The lesser spec model of the Steam Deck rival could be pitched at $599.99 in the US. According to materials shown to The Verge by Roland Quant, this might be the MSRP of the ROG Ally with a vanilla AMD Z1 CPU and 256 GB of storage. We still need to add a good dollop of skepticism as it's been leaked to us. And even if this is what Asus is thinking price-wise at the moment, there's a chance that the planned price could change between now and launch. So what's different between the two models? The top-end ROG Ally's Z1 Extreme processor has 8 cores, 16 threads, compared to 6 cores, 12 threads, with the standard AMD Z1. More importantly, on the integrated RDNA 3 graphics, the Z1 Extreme has 12 cores, whereas the Z1 offers 4 cores. That's a pretty big difference. According to AMD's own marketing, the Extreme boasts 8.6 teraflops of graphics performance, meaning it leaves competitors like the Steam Deck in the dust. But does this $100 price gap make sense? The difference between the two models is a fair one considering the specs. We were hoping for more like $499.99 for the Z1, but maybe Asus is planning another lower-end handheld. Alternatively, maybe the Z1 Extreme-toting ROG Ally is set to sell out, and they can still ship the base Z1 model. Valve's portable gaming machine is $530 and comes with a CPU engine that's less peppy, while the ROG Ally is $599.99 with a stronger processor and double the storage. And when you take into account that it runs Windows 11, there will be no compatibility issues like those faced by the Steam Deck. We shall see whether Asus has a Steam Deck killer on its hands soon enough and whether their pricing is realistic. Besides exact pricing, we'll also need to know the battery life and details about the Z1's performance to decide if this is the gaming device for you. Keep your eyes peeled for more